Xiaomi presents Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Comes with 64 megapixel quad camera array and 32 megapixel AI selfie camera. You have 3 color options to choose from: Interstellar Black, Aurora Blue and Glacier White color variants. You can also choose from 3 memory variants as 6GB RAM with 64GB internal memory, 6GB RAM with 128GB internal memory and 8GB RAM with 128GB internal memory. The internal memory is expandable up to 512GB. Both the SIM slots support 4G on dual standby. The 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display for the tiniest of detail. It comes with 3D Corning Gorilla Glass 5 front and back. It also comes with splash-proof technology. It has side-mounted fingerprint sensor and AI face unlock. The 64 megapixel AI quad camera array to capture the tiniest of detail. It also has a 32 megapixel selfie camera at the front. Redmi Note 9 Pro Max runs on Android version 10 operating system with 2.3 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon octa core processor, which creates smooth multitasking experience. The 5020 mAh battery provides you with longer talk time. It also comes with 33-watt flash charger that helps you charge faster. The Redmi Note 9 Pro Max comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.